Have you even had one of those days at work where everything goes wrong for absolutely no reason? A simple conversation turns into an argument, a meeting becomes complete chaos, and by the end of the day, you're wondering how anything, anything got done. If that sounds familiar, then welcome to Dunander Mifflin, the world's most unpredictable office. The employees are supposed to sell papers, but somehow every normal workday turns into something unforgettable. Today, we are looking at some of the funniest workplace moments that prove no office will ever be as crazy as this one. Let's get started. The first moments beginnings with a very awkward misunderstanding. One employee is dealing with the loss of his grandmother. His co-workers wants to supportive, so they sing a cinematic card to show they care. That sounds thoughtful until the wrong card ends up in the wrong hands. Instead of converting words, the card is filled with birthday message. Party time, let's get wasted. You deserve this. Imagine reading that while you trying to process a family loss. It's one of the those mistakes that's trivial but somehow impossible not to log at. Only the office could accidentally turn sympathy into a birthday celebration just when you think things can't get strangers. Michael Scott noticed fresh wet cement outside the building. Most people would simply walk around it. Not Michael. He certainly believes this is his chance to leave behind a permanent legacy. He asked everyone for ideas about what he should write before the cement dries. Someone suggested writing his internals, another person recommendation drawing a picture. Then someone mentioned how famous celebrities leave handprints in the cement outside famous theaters. Michael immediately decided handprints are enough. He wants to press his entire face into the cement. Everyone tell him it's a bad idea. He ignores them completely. In his mind, future generations will visit that sidewalk and proudly say that where Michael Scott left his face. It makes absolutely no sense, which is actually why it's so funny. Meanwhile, another conversation starts in the office. Some employees being talking about their babies. Naturally, everyone starts comparing parenting experience experience special